This is Tr.Mikey. Welcome to our grammar tutor class. Digane, teacher, then you met Gaunsing Lega. Kamali, teacher, dinner, then Jamet Gaunsing go Mabiakama, teacher a jango, teacher message tomorrow. This is Tr.Mikey. Mikey is a teacher. Mikey teaches in Open House Academy. Mikey has 2 dogs. Mikey lives in Mandalay. Mikey, so many Mikey. So teacher since Mikey neyama teacher be haligo asaten lo yale. Be sekalong ligo asaten lo yale. I leo teacher asaten jeme. This is Mikey. I live in Mandalay. I have 2 dogs. I teach in Open House Academy. I am a teacher. Wow. Oh, have a look at this. This is teacher Alice and this is teacher Brian. So they join with me. So all together, we. Teacher ne atudu, teacher ne yaw ba la join ne khama teacher atudu so yin we lo teacher ro thong pare. Okay? I and we. Okay. And now taku aku ji nede tata mami de phit pare. Ara tata mamiတွေကိုteacherကနာစားသုံးမယ်ဆိုရင် you. Okay? You. So different ma teacher Brian, teacher Alice, we, and then aku ji nede tata mamiတွေ you, and then teacher I. Aku teacher ပြပြပေးတဲ့သင်ခန်းစာက I, we, and you. Okay? အဲ့ဒီတော့ teacher တို့ဒီ video လေးရဲ့နောက်မှာလေ့ကျင့်ရမယ်သင်ခန်းစာလေးတွေထပ်ပေးထားပါတယ်။အဲ့ဒီသင်ခန်းစာလေးတွေကိုအိမ်မှာလေ့ကျင့်ကြည့်ပါ။ပြီးရင် teacher တို့ဒီ video လေးရဲ့အောက်မှာ comment box မှာလာပြီးတော့တင်ပြပါ။ teacher ကအဲ့ဒီ video အောက်မှာရှိတဲ့ comments တွေကို teacher တို့ကစစ်ပေးပါမယ်နော်။ Bye guys. See you next time.